Prelims is not about what you know. It has never been. It's about how you think and maintain your composure under pressure.
Oh, I have studied hard, but why am not able to recall facts?
Option A or D?
It seems like this question has appeared before in prelims. Why all options are looking wrong?
Why didn't I focus on this highly relevant topic?
Let's rewire your mindset for the prelims examination. UPSC doesn't test your knowledge itself, but it also tests your comprehending strength, your analytical power, and your interpretation skills.
So you don't need the right option, you are just required to eliminate the wrong ones.
Every time you see an extreme word, make sure that you're very cautious. It could be a trap.
UPSC may rarely repeat its questions, but remember, topics and concepts are repeated frequently. For instance, the Rayatwari settlement, it was asked in 2012, 2017 and 2024. In 1 year, UPSC asked that who was the founder of Fort William, and in the following year, they asked that why was the Fort William established.
This is because you have studied randomly and not strategically. You should have made the PYQs as a foundation as well as the backbone of your preparation.
The exam never changes, only your approach does.